I'm going to teach you today how to use the reasonable accommodation request form. I'm going to put it up on the screen now while I talk about it. If you notice at the top of this form, it has a date and a property name, number, resident name, address, daytime phone, evening phone. The person requesting the accommodation enters their name. They next request or describe the accommodation. So I might say, I need Fluffy. Okay? I don't have to explain why in this section. I just say, I need a dog, I need a closer parking space, I need a rent reminder. And then please explain, number 3, why the accommodation described is necessary for you to fully enjoy your dwelling or common area. I might put in there, Fluffy helps regulate my bipolar disorder or my post-traumatic stress disorder. I might say I need a closer parking space because of my mobility disability. I might say that I need something for some other reason. This is the format that you get that information in. Now remember, we don't typically ask people who are disabled, why are you disabled? But in the form, you're going to ask them why or how the accommodation is related to the disability. Okay, now notice there's a release here that they sign and say, I authorize my medical provider or somebody else. And this, most of the time, is a medical provider, but it can actually be anybody who is familiar with their disability. Sometimes it can be their family member, like their mother, who knows that they're disabled and they do need an accommodation. But the definition of disability is next, and a little explanation. What we're trying to communicate is normally we don't allow these things, but if they truly are disabled, we will in their case. And then there is the place for someone like a healthcare provider or someone else to sign. And they should return this to you third party. What I mean by third party is don't have the tenant run it to the doctor and bring it back to you. Have the doctor, you send it or email it to the doctor, have the doctor email it back. That way you know it's a legitimate form. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you'll keep watching these videos.